So in this kayak.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to rent a vehicle here on kayak.com. So once you open up kayak.com, I want you to go ahead and make sure that the cars option here is selected. Once you select cars right here, you can go ahead and select what city that you're needing the car in. So I've recently searched up Malibu, but for example, if you wanted to go to Las Vegas, but you wanted a car, you can go ahead and type in the date that you're picking it up, the time frame, as well as the time you're dropping it off, and the time frame. So if all looks good, you can go ahead and press on search right here. Now, once you're on this page, it's very straightforward. You can go ahead and select a vehicle of your choice. So it'll show you the different dealerships that they're renting from as well. So you can kind of head scroll for yourself, see what you're looking for. You can also change the car type as well. So if you wanted to maybe go to car type right here, you're looking for like a medium type sedan or maybe an SUV, for example. You can go ahead and make sure that that is selected and then press on apply. You can change the capacity, the transmission, the car features, the location, etc. And it's all up to you in regards to what you're looking for in regards to a rental vehicle. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to rent a vehicle through kayak.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.